going?
Yep. Hello everybody. Look at this. I got a collaboration time here going on. I'm here with my little nephew's new channel. He is called Brody's Life. If you get a chance, go check him out. He's brand new at this and he's just learning it. But he's out here spinning wrenches with his uncle. All right. Working on that old lawnmower there, trying to get her running. That's an old lawnmower that my dad, his grandpa, had out in the backyard, and it'll work good for learning how to spin a wrench.
Yep.
Meantime, over here, you can see I'm getting ready to get this whole Ford here stripped down and ready for the fair lane. I'll get that 500 pounds of ice off of there. And you'll hear a little Brody man over there from Brody's Life learning what he can learn on that. Oh, I'll scratch the paint.
Who cares if you scratch the paint? You just probably got to scratch this out, huh?
How's she coming?
Yeah.
You got her clamped on there?
Yep.
Alrighty.
It is calm down now, but do you have any bigger problems?
In the bottom drawer of the toolbox,
yeah.
You should find them in there.
Yeah.
The very, very bottom. Always something going on at BareRose Garage. I tell you, I'm pretty proud of my little nephew there. Ah, look at there. Those emblems there look good on that 300. Get that all off there. Boy, why'd they make that hood prop so small? Alrighty. Okay, here we go. Let's get this stripped up.
Do you have two of those, Kim?
I think I only got one of this size.
Oh.
Plastic. I hate plastic. Okay, we got all that. Now we'll look. I got Phillips screwdriver.
Nice.
Never matters how many times and how many places you look, you always forget a few tools. All right, Phillips screwdriver.
You need a movable toolbox to swing it out there.
I do, but it's too cold to drag it all the way out and then drag it all the way back in. So we'll come on over here. I need a Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver. Come here. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. A cool thing, a quick little time saver on these E-Series. I'll show you. The whole core support here is actually separated. All you got to do is take that off, and you can kind of see where I'm going with this. I'll set this over here out of my hand for right now. That comes off there. All I got to do now is just take this piece off, and then take the front bumper off. Take the radiator out, and you can kind of see where I'm headed with this. Makes a nice big hole. Then I can reach in there with the cherry picker, and I showed you that in the other one, how you hook the cherry picker really short as you possibly can. Then I can lift it up, of course after I crawl under it and undo all the mounts, motor mounts and the tranny mount and everything. And then I'll lift it up with the cherry picker, and then I'll hook onto it in the back with the backhoe. Right now I got the backhoe set there as kind of like a wheel stop, keep it from rolling backwards. But I'll hook onto it and I'll pull it back, and hopefully at that time I got somebody here to help me. But they can run the cherry picker at the same time, and then as it comes out they can raise it up and I'll pull it and kind of work in tandem. That's the easiest way I found to get them out. And obviously I'm doing everything I can to save as much as possible off of it, because I've got a lot of this stuff sold, and like I kept saying, you know, everything you can sell off of it. There's a little Brody again. There's more money back into the pocket, and that's kind of how you make your projects pay for themselves. All right, so I'm gonna quit yabbering and keep slugging at this, and hopefully have this motor out of here this weekend. All right, so we'll catch you on the next one. Hello everybody. Well, I got a little done today. Not quite as much as I wanted to, but it's between trips in and out of the house. Yeah, well, I got enough done today. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Anyway, little Brody, he's gone home. I think I done froze him up. But you can see I got the bumper off. I got the grill all out of it. And she's about, I get that cord. That's the bad thing about filming in the cold like this. Gotta have the camera plugged in all the time, because the cold just kills these batteries like no tomorrow. Anyway, got her down this far. Tomorrow I'll drain the antifreeze out of it and pull the radiator, and then this front splash valance here, it's about ready to come off now, but I figured that was good enough place to stop for tonight. And also, you know, family stuff, everything, but something did get done. Thing a little concerned, I was going to try to run that radiator, but she don't look like she's going to hold nothing. But that's no problem. Those aluminum repop ones they're not too bad, and I actually like the way they cool these 460s. But you can see her there. She's a coming. Slowly but surely, and day by day, she's all going to get there. We're all going to see each of them no-name nationals coming up, right? So I'm gonna get back inside and warm back up, because this is what I've been laying on all day. and my butt is frozen. All right, so we'll catch you on the next one, and it'll be tomorrow by the time I get out here. All right, so meantime, keep the metal hot. We're all gonna get there.